Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Shiraz and today I've got the seat height review of the Super Meteor 650 for you. So if you are 5'6" or below, this video will be useful for you. My height is 5'1" and my inseam is 27 inches. So I'll sit on the bike and I'll talk more about it then. Okay, I think here it's imperative that I give you a tip to make your life easier, not only on this motorcycle but on any other heavy motorcycle that you are planning to buy. So how to lift it off its side stand. So there are three ways. Okay, so the handlebar is straight. If you'll do this, okay, it requires some strength. Okay, and if your core is not very strong, this might cause hernia. So there is one more way. So of course you turn the handlebar towards the left. Okay, you lock it and then you push it from here. A lot easier than when the handlebar was straight. However, the best way to do is you turn it completely to the right. So now what you're doing is you are shifting a lot of weight already on the right side. Okay, so you have less of it now to bring from one side to the other. So a piece of cake even for a person of my height. All right, so see, I am able to tiptoe on both sides. Okay, but let me tell you, it's not a very comfortable thing to do. So you would not be doing this when you come to a stop. Okay, you always put your one foot down, right? So yeah, this is a lot more comfortable. And just to give you an idea about the foot controls, so yeah, it's an okay reach. So thankfully, unlike on many cruisers, the foot controls are not placed in some other continent. Okay, so yeah, fairly comfortable. What about pedaling it back and forth? You can do that. So you would not be pedaling it forward, you would use the engine power for that. But then if in case you have to, this is how you'll do it. In fact, it's much easier to do this. In fact, there is no shame in getting off the bike and pushing it or pulling it. And that's what I do. And yeah, I think that's the long and short of it. I hope this gave you a fair idea. And I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please do hit that like button, do comment as well, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. And please subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much.